this is an actual AirPod Pro case. That is so cool. Hey guys, this here is my headphones and its case. The case is a locking case, but it came off and got torn apart and broken. Now, it's also very plain and boring, and we're gonna fix this today. This here is a Fiji water bottle AirPod case holder. We're gonna open this up and see what this is all about. We actually have a package of some cleaning device, and we have the case. We'll go through each thing one at a time. Everything is protected in plastic, so it doesn't get dirty or anything. We're actually gonna go through the headphone first and then go through the cleaning kit. Now this is what the bottom portion looks like. Fiji natural arsen water with the flower. Everything looks pretty cool. It's blue and then clear on the bottom, and we also have a charging port right here, so you can also charge it through this case. On the top part here it says from the islands of, and this is, you know, with the bottle cap and everything, and the cutout for the AirPods to basically fold out, so you can take it out and everything. So I'm going to take it off here, and we will insert it right there. As you can see, it's on there, and there is a lot of space on the bottom here, so no matter how much you drop this, I don't think you can break this, because this is very thick on the bottom. It is pretty good, and it actually stands upright, which is pretty cool too. And then we will put the top on just like that. Very easy. And here is the case installed in, and it looks like a water bottle, a mini Fiji water bottle. All you do is knock the cap off and it opens up just like that. Very easy. Now we also have a hook. This hook can be used to hang this entire thing to a keychain or something, so it's easier for you to carry, or you can also put it on your belt and then basically carry it hands-free, so you don't lose it or anything like that. On top of this, we actually have a multifunctional cleaning pen. So this is basically going to help you clean the AirPods out, which is a very nice thing to have. I've been using cotton buds all this time, but now we have a whole pen. We actually have two things here. One is going to be a microfiber towel end, and the other one is basically a fountain pen looking needle. And on top of that, we also have a little brush type thing here. And here's some pictures, and these will help you to figure out what parts to use on what. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want this is going to be in my description. You can order this right off of Amazon. They have a lot of other options for you to choose from, like Doritos and stuff like that. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.